going on, YouTube? We're back at it with another one. And I guess I got lucky today. I was able to acquire 2 different sets of main bearings. I've been running King bearings for the last probably 5 or 6 engines, and they've done real well. Problem is there's a national back order on them. So we are now at the mercy of that. Tried to get some ACL bearings. Machine shop had the extra thousandths clearance in stock, but did not have the standards. So I've never mixed brands when you're playing musical bearings. So I wanted to run at least the same brand. So I got Clevelite, their tri-metals, and then got standard in with an extra thousandth so I can move them around to try to get this clearance where I want it at. Hopefully, like, probably want to say at least between 3 and 4. Shooting for 3.5. We'll see. So it'll be another time lapse. Block is, it has the King bearings in it still. So piston rings, everything's all cut. Rod bearings are already measured. We're good to go there. As soon as I'm good with the crank, I can get this short block put together. So we'll see how far we get today, and then we'll go from there. But enough talking. Let's get to working. All right, so we're all done with the mains. They're all measured. Before, I just had the extra thousandths of clearance from King, and we were, number 1 was about 4, number 2 was 4.8, 4.6 thousandths. Number 3 was 4 thousandths, 4 was about 4.6 thousandths, and number 5 was 4.1. After getting that other set of bearings and playing musical bearings, number 1 and number 3 both got an extra thousandths, but these are from Clevelite, and I came out with about 3.6 and 3.7. So 3.7 on 1, 3.6 on 3. Main number 2 and number 4 got 1 extra thousandths shell and 1 standard shell, and we got 3.6 thousandths basically on that one, and on the thrust we're at 3.3. So I'm good with those numbers. I am going to now start putting in the crank. Final. Here we go. There we go. We at least got a crank in. Turns over easy, no tight spots. Rear main seals in, and got 6 thousandths of thrust clearance forward and back, so we're good there. I'm gonna call it a night. Got the water cooler blowing on me, and it's still 99 degrees in this garage. So tomorrow we will start putting pistons and rods in. The rods are already measured, so we're good to go there. Yeah, rings are cut. So we'll have us a complete short block tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one. And like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. I do my best to answer. Have a good one. See you on the next one.